I said, dealing with
do you want
high
these
slash
donuts?
I said,
Do you want these
there you go, yeah.
donuts? Do you want a milkshake? Do you want a cheeseburger? Tell me. Do you want these donuts? Chico sticks? Now laters. Tell me, do you want this meatloaf? These pork rinds? Scrambled eggs and cheese. I killed that baby too. She was like, "You got me fucked up. I can tell you love me." I said, "I can tell you can eat up some groceries." That's not the reason. She said, "I can tell you love me." I said, "No, I can tell you can eat up some groceries." Yeah, man. My goodness, it would have been.